Car camping, a fusion of outdoor adventure and convenience, has captured the hearts of travel enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. As the sun sets and the stars emerge, the allure of setting up camp under the open sky is undeniable. To elevate this experience further, some innovative gadgets come in handy. So in this video, we will go through the 7 amazing car camping gadgets and accessories that seamlessly blend modern technology with the timeless charm of the great outdoors. First, we have this Anker Solex F1200, the perfect power solution tailored for the car campers. With its robust features designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor exploration, this portable power station redefines convenience on the road. Equipped with LFP batteries boasting an impressive 3,000 charging cycle and fortified with industrial-grade electronics, the Solex F1200 ensures a reliable power source for all your camping needs. Crafted with a rugged unibody drop-proof design, this powerhouse is built to endure the bumps and jolts of your journey. The smart temperature control feature guarantees optimal performance in various weather conditions, providing peace of mind as you adventure through changing landscapes. The HyperFlash AC recharging capability recharges up to 80% in just 1 hour, ensuring minimal downtime. Harnessing the sun's energy, its 300-watt max solar recharge and 13 ports cater to all your devices, keeping you connected while immersed in nature.
In today's competitive online marketplace, it's important to stand out from the crowd. And that's where Product Video Studio comes in. From a team of creative professionals specializing in crafting visually stunning product videos, you'll get engaged customers and increased sales. In Product Video Studio, we use advanced equipment like top-of-the-line camera gears to create attention-grabbing product videos that truly deliver the essence of your products. Working with us is easy. Simply send us your products and we will take care of the entire process until you're satisfied with the video.
Elevating car camping comfort to new heights, the Luno Air Mattress 2.0 is perfect for those seeking peaceful slumber in the midst of their adventurous journey. Crafted with the car camper's needs in mind, this inflatable mattress transforms even the most uneven backseat surfaces into a haven of restful repose. Designed for practicality, the mattress boasts 2 bases and a dedicated Luno inflator, ensuring swift and hassle-free inflation. Its ingenious construction allows for the independent inflation of both sides, converting your back seat into a luxurious double bed. However, for the solo camper, the mattress adapts seamlessly by folding one side, creating additional cargo space while still offering a comfortable single sleeping area. Next up, the Ecoflow Glacier is here to keep cravings at bay and nourishment on point during your car camping trip. This portable refrigerator is a culinary wonderland on the move, ensuring your food stays fresh no matter where you venture. From leafy greens to succulent steaks, the Glacier houses it all thanks to its innovative design and versatile features. Powered by a robust 120-watt compressor, the Glacier doesn't just chill, it churns out ice cubes like a pro. Satisfy your sweet tooth or make impromptu chilled beverages with 18 solid ice cubes ready in just 12 minutes. It's not just a fridge, it's a power hub. Sporting a 100-watt max USB-C charging capability, the Glacier juices up your gadgets while keeping your food chilled. And when it's time to move, the lever and detachable wheels make it a breeze to carry your car. Moonshade XL is a versatile awning that redefines comfort and convenience amidst the great outdoors. Crafted to adapt to your car camping needs, this one seamlessly attaches to any side of your vehicle, ensuring maximum sun protection with its UV-treated 420D ripstop polyester shade top. With a sprawling coverage of 9 by 12 feet, it effortlessly transforms any campsite into a shaded haven, offering respite from the sun's relentless rays. But it doesn't stop there. As twilight descends, this awning takes on a new role. It reflects light, casting a soft, enchanting glow that turns your campsite into a luminous gathering spot under the moonlit sky. Weighing in at under 13 pounds, the Moonshade XL boasts durable construction without burdening your travels. Next on the list, the Coleman 1900 collection is a homage to 120 years of exploration and adventure. This one's a 3-in-1 propane stove, which feels like a modern twist on a classic camping stove design. Crafted for durability, this stove stands the test of time, ensuring you can savor delectable meals for years to come. Its cast iron grill grates promise endurance, weathering countless meals without compromise. The sturdy latch secures your setup when not in use, and the built-in carry handle simplifies portability. A dedicated carry case provides a safe haven for the regulator. Rekindle the joy of precise outdoor cooking with improved knob rotation and 24,000 BTUs of cooking power. Matchless ignition ensures seamless lighting, even in the wild. Shielding the flame from the elements, the wind guard ensures your flame burns true. Sure, you can cook your food on a stove, but camping without a campfire is just not the same. There's something about sitting around the campfire, telling stories, and roasting marshmallows that just makes camping feel complete. So here's the Primus Komodo OpenFire, your ticket to capturing the campfire essence wherever your wheels take you. Designed with the car camper in mind, this portable fire pit delivers the magic of a crackling campfire, whether you're by the beach, in your backyard, or deep in the woods. Lighting up the night is a breeze. The Komodo unfolds quicker than you can gather firewood. It's versatile, embracing both wood and charcoal, perfect for grilling up campsite feasts or simply basking in its warm glow. And when the embers fade, its integrated ashtray and base ensure a leave-no-trace experience. For those seeking bigger culinary exploits, team up with the OpenFire pan for a feast-worthy griddle. The Komodo comes in 2 sizes, pairing perfectly with the OpenFire pan small or large. Finally, here we have the Cydio crate to keep everything organized behind your car trunk. With structural ribs for serious stacking and over 40 divider slots, your camp essentials stay perfectly organized. Built rugged, it laughs at dense cracks and wild temperature swings. Stack it high, go lid on or lid off, and it even stacks with standard milk crates. From tents to tech, the Cydio crate transforms your car into an organized haven so you can focus on the journey ahead. So that was our list of 7 amazing car camping gadgets and accessories. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section and share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutdoorZone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.